Alright, so I saw this and thought it looked like fun. It's from CUBENDI, maybe is how you pronounce it. Not sure. CUBENDI. And so it's supposed to be a geometric origami puzzle with magnets in there. This is the scribble color. They have 3 different versions. Um, so yeah, I thought this would be fun. I am a fidgeter. I have children who are fidgeters. And just thought this might be fun if I can actually get it out of the box. Let's check down here. There we go. Oh wow. All right. So let me just kind of look at the instructions here real quick first. So here's the other. So this is scribble. There's 2 other colors. So open. See if we can really get back to a box. Interesting. So supposedly over 50 different shapes. Don't force it. Okay. So I don't know. Oh, and you can combine multiple ones to make even bigger shapes. Interesting. So there. Obviously that hinges there. As they say, when you get to a particular shape, I guess the magnets help hold it together. So now that I've done that, those magnets are in there. So this will spin out there and want to lock there. So this is interesting. Certainly very, very colorful. Wow. So this is, I would say, kind of innovative. Never seen anything quite like it, and not sure what it will take to get it back the way I found it. But interesting. Oh, well, maybe that's the way I found it, or not. But kind of fun. So I'll let my boys play with it. So I can see I can spin it out that way here, or this opens up that. Got several different options for splitting it apart. And pretty cool. So yeah, I like it. Yeah, hope that helps you out. And size wise, probably what they describe here, almost 2.5 inches cubed. Somewhere about 2 3/8, something like that. And yeah, colorful, interesting. So there you go. Hope that'll help you out. Take care. Have a good day. Can you make it go back?
Yeah.
Keep going.
stop it.